Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about goat soap, lotion and body wash. We're going to talk about the benefits and the side effects in today's video and how to effectively and correctly use them in order to maximize their wonderful benefits. In recent years, goat milk products have gained amazing high popularity because of their benefits for the skin. However, it's important for us to understand that there are individual reactions that are there for people that are sensitive, and it's always advisable to do a patch test to check for any adverse effects. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a couple of important considerations that you need to take into account as well as benefits. Now, coming to the benefits of goat milk products, first of all, they're moisturizing for the skin, suitable for anyone having normal, dry, sensitive skin. Also, they're rich in fats, which provide moisture to the skin, and they're also rich in vitamins, specifically when it comes to vitamin A, B2, B3, B6, B12, D, as well as vitamin E. And they're also rich in minerals such as zinc and selenium. These nutrients all work together to contribute to overall skin health. The third benefit is that they're amazing for exfoliating the skin gently. Now, goat milk contains lactic acid, which is known as a natural acid, which may contribute to gentle exfoliation. And this really helps to remove dead skin cells and promote a more smoother complexion. Also, they have anti-inflammatory properties. So the goat milk based products have anti-inflammatory effects, which is beneficial for anyone having skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis and rosacea. Also suitable for anyone having sensitive skin because they're considered hypoallergenic alternatives to cow's milk, and many people with sensitive skin find that the goat milk products is less irritating. Also, for anyone out there having acne, this is an important product to use because the lactic acid found in goat milk products has mild antibacterial properties, making it very beneficial for those with acne-prone skin. And lastly, they're nourishing for mature skin because they contain a good amount of vitamins and minerals that are known to help nourish mature skin and provide a more youthful appearance. That being said, let's talk about a couple of important considerations and side effects I want you to know about. First of all, allergic reactions. So while goat milk is less allergenic than cow's milk, some individuals may still be allergic or intolerant. Always do a patch test and discontinue use if irritation occurs. Also, in regards to the fragrances and the additives, now there are some goat milk products that may contain fragrances or other additives that could cause irritation in sensitive individuals. Always choose products with minimal ingredients and opt for a fragrance-free option. Thirdly, when it comes to the quality of the products, now the effectiveness of goat milk based skincare products does vary depending on the brand, depending on the manufacturing process and the quality of the ingredients used. The tip here is to choose products from reputable brands. Fourthly, the consistency of use and the frequency. Now, results from skincare products, including goat milk based ones, do vary based on individual skin types and the conditions as well. Always try to stay consistent in your use, and patience is really important. Also, when it comes to hygiene practices, now I want you to ensure that the products that you use, they need to be stored properly in order to prevent contamination. Practice good hygiene by washing your hands before using skincare products, and also if you use like a open soap, you can also store it in a special closed area. That way you would prevent or minimize contamination. And lastly, in regards to pregnancy and breastfeeding, now if you are concerned about using it during pregnancy or breastfeeding, most of the products are natural. But if you're still concerned, always consult with your healthcare provider in order to ensure that they are completely safe for you and your own specific circumstances and medical conditions. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.